Hi, welcome to our channel, day allotment, and this week we've been doing.
Hi, we're down at the allotment today. Now today is Tuesday, and we're down yesterday with my dad and my brother, and we started turning this bed over here. Now I'm carrying on doing a bit more, and that is going to be ready to put some plants in this yeah. And also I've been working around this corner, just tidying up, bagging all the rubbish up, so all the rubbish on the floor is now gone. So we've got bags of there. All this is going to be, we're going to sort out the wood that's here and at the back to go here. So I'm hoping to come down and carry on doing a little bit more turning the bed over and sorting out the wood and stuff, and maybe get some stuff in the compost heap that we built yesterday, as if you watched yesterday's video. Hi, we're down at the allotment today. Today is Thursday and I'm down here by myself, so I've been working moving the wood like from the top here. So all this is just about clear, nearly done, and put it behind the shed, ready to be burned or hide out on the skip when that comes. I've also had a lot of rhubarb knocking around when we got this, so I've planted some more rhubarb, so we're going to have quite a bit of rhubarb. So I'm looking forward to that, because when we used to have a house in the garden, I used to dip it in, sit there watching TV and dip it into sugar. So hopefully we're back down maybe tomorrow or the weekend and finish turning this bed over, hopefully get rid of that rest of that wood at the back and carry on with the stuff that's in the compost, bring the stuff from there into the compost bin, and it's slowly but surely getting there. Hi, we're down at the allotment today, so today is Friday, and I've cleared all the wood from the back here, and like I said yesterday, to put it over there, and I've started turning over this bed, because we're going to have a little competition between me, my dad and my brother to see who can grow the biggest sunflower. Now we have got a few other little bits just still to do. We've still got this bed to turn over, got the compost to put in the compost bin, and we've also got these to move.
Okay, today we've put this path in, and we've been digging over this plot. Still needs a little bit weeding. As I say, I'm taking you for a round, and to do a bit bumpy here, and we'll go up here, and Rob's been turning over this, and he's got some weeding to do. So we're going to put some sunflowers in here. Competition between the three of us to see who can grow the biggest sunflower. And if I look back down here, we've got a fire going, which we'll be waiting to finish off so we can get off home. So hope you've enjoyed this video. Dave, you forgot to tell them something. Oh yes, aye. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell icon to be notified of any more videos coming up.